How to set up a shipping zone.
Welcome to Osbisy. On this video, I'm going to show you an example how to set up a zone-wise shipping. To do so, as a seller, first you must log into your account. Once you log into your account, go to dashboard. As you can see, I'm here in a dashboard. And then scroll down, go to setting, then select shipping. Here we go. This is a shipping setting for zone-wise shipping. As you can see here, no shipping has been set up. If you check it out, shipping method, under shipping method, not much found. So nothing has been set up yet. So to set up zone-wise shipping, bear in mind, as a seller on Osbisy, you determine both your postage rates and destination on each of your listings. Some buyers only review items on Osbisy that deliver to their country. To make sure you appear in international search, be sure to set the rates for every country you feel comfortable delivering to. So let's start now, and under zone name, select the region that you are comfortable to sell your product. In this case, for demonstration purpose, so I'm going to select UK and select edit. Here we go, and this is the page for setting up shipping method. In this case, as you can see, the zone name is UK shipping and zone location is United Kingdom. So if you want to set up as the whole region of United Kingdom, you can leave as it is, which is if you want to limit within the UK, if you want to limit based off the postcode to certain area that you would like to offer and sell your product, then you can enable this. And once you enable, list all the postcode that you are comfortable to deliver to. Then, but if not, then you can just turn off and then leave as it is. Then what you have to do next is you need to set the price. In order to set the price, select add shipping method. I'm going to select and select the method, and in this case you have a multiple option where you can set your price rate. For this demo, I'm gonna select flat rate and then add shipping method. Now that I select the flat rate, the next thing to do is I have to set the price. To set the price, click back again to flat rate, and then under the flat rate, edit, select edit. Once I select the edit, as you can see the title is flat rate and the cost is 0. To set the cost, it is very important this one to understand, because it would be very crucial when a buyer trying to purchase your product on a checkout. Because if you set up this one only just the price, for example, let's say $3.99, and then no matter the quantity the buyer has want to purchase, it will always for example, if you select like 4 or 5 quantity, and then it will only charge them $3.99. But if in order to avoid that confusion, or then what you have to do is you have to make sure $3.99 is for one product that you set for delivery charge, and then times star and bracket quantity. Okay, and this, what it does, this is it will always charge based of quantity of the product. This case 399 times the quantity, but if the customers order 2 items, would be 399 times 2, it would be 798. So this is very important, so pay attention to this. Also, you can set up based of a percentage, which is the total amount of your product, and it could be like 10% of the total amount of your product, or 20. Is totally up to you. Yeah, and the next thing, or you can also copy this and just change the price. Change the price rate, and then ready to go. And if you now scroll down, when you scroll down, this is a shipping class cost. For example, if your product vary in a different size and weight, this could be a risky point where you can set a shipping class cost and then link it to your product. What did I mean by that is, let me show you. For example, if I go to a product dashboard, now I'm here in my product page. In this case, when I'm setting up, if this is product is no, it's different as other products that I'm offering, which means this is that I have to set up a different price. In this case, what I have to do is, because then I can select the correct size, the correct parcel that I have already set up, and then if it is heavy, it's heavy. If it's medium, and medium. If it's small, and small. If it's lightweight, and if it's large, then I can set it. For example, in this case, I'm gonna set heavy parcel, and then hit save product. Hit save product. What it does, this, it will, when a customer's trying to purchase your product, first it will take the basic your price rate, which is 399. On top of that, I'm gonna set now here, I'm gonna, like I say, copy this, paste, and then for heavy parcel, for example, let's say I charge 30, and then so what it does is, on top of this, it will also include £30. In this case, the total delivery would be 399. So when a customer trying to buy this product, so what it does is, it will take the basic shipping price 399. On top of that, because you define a shipping class is as a heavy parcel, and then we'll include that price, and the total the customer will be able to see at the checkout point that the price rate for deliver this item would be 33.99. So make sure you set for shipping class cost. If all your items have same size and weight, you can leave it blank as it is. You can leave it blank, which is not applicable. But if you does offer different in size and weight, and that could be a good point for you just to fill out and to set the price rate for each parcel. Okay, let's say in heavy price, and then for large one, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, let me put it this. Copy this. For the large one is it's smaller than the heavy one. Then in this case, I'm gonna put it 24, and 24 times 14, and for light, it's gonna be it's slightly different. It's gonna be £4, and for medium it'll be, let's say, 9. For poster, I don't have a poster in this example, a poster pack, and then I can leave it as it is. Then for small parcel, so what I have to do is I'm gonna set 599. When you've done and you feel comfortable and satisfied with the price range that you offer, then save the setting. Now we successfully set up flat rate. Let's do another one, and again add shipping method button, and then select local pickup. In this case, I'm gonna add shipping method, which is if you have a store, and then if for example myself, I'm based off UK, and then anywhere around my area on the city that I'm living, so what they can do, they can come and collect the product. So what you have to do is now set the price. The price would be, I don't think this is recommendable to charge them if they're gonna come to your store and collect the product. So you can leave it as it is and then save the setting. So in this case would be local pickup would be free of charge. And then finally, once you've done and you are happy with it, and then save the change. Okay, it's successfully saved. Okay, double check. Yeah, it's zone setting is saved. Okay, successfully. And now if I go back to zone listing, take a notice, then under shipping method, you can see that I have already set up for UK shipping, which is based off flat rate and local pickup. Now I'm gonna also demonstrate to show you how we can also set up based off country and state. In this case, I'm gonna go to Europe region. Okay, so hover over under zone name, hover over to Europe shipping, and then click edit. Okay, this is the page for Europe Euro shipping. Okay, as you can see here, you can select based of the country. If you want to offer a service for the whole Europe, and then you can leave it as it is. But if you want only to provide a service for certain country, so what you have to do is go to select country and select the country that you feel comfortable delivering to. In this case, I'm gonna do Belgium, and then let's say another one, got Germany, and if you want to add more, Spain. So as you can see, you can add a different country that you feel comfortable to deliver to. Here we go, Italy, Lithuania, and so on. Okay, the next one is select status, which is if you want to offer for the whole region of Belgium or Germany and Spain, you can leave select the state blank. But if you want to, for example, like within Belgium, within Germany or Spain, you want to only select a certain city that you would like to offer, you would like to sell your product and offer the service. So what you have to do is, and under select state and select the status that you would like to offer and deliver into. In this case, you can go to, or you can target big cities, for example, Berlin, okay, in Germany, if you want to only just sell on Berlin area. And Saxon, so as you can see, is if it's France, you can, for example, sorry, if it's Spain, you can go Barcelona. Yeah, got Barcelona. And Germany, okay, got that, and Belgium. So here we go. So you can set based off, yeah, you can set targeting big cities, or you can leave it blank, which means it will apply for the whole region of the country. In this case, I'm gonna leave it. That will apply to the whole country. On top of that, also, if you wanna limit based off postcode and zip, and then you can specify based off postcodes that you are again comfortable to deliver to. But if not, then you can leave it as it is. But if you do want to set based off zip and postcodes, then you can toggle on and then list all the postcodes that you would like to offer in certain area. But if not, and then just turn it off and then leave it as it is. Now what you have to do, the next thing is you have to set the price. In this case, I have already shown you flat rate and local pickup. Let's go to free shipping and then add shipping method. Okay, okay, I included free shipping. So what you have to do now, you have to set the price for free shipping, which means like set the minimum price. What would you that would you like to offer for free shipping? In this case, or you can just leave it as it is. If you want for free shipping, would be okay for minimum order amount. Let's say it would be £70. Then this one it can apply after minimum order rule before coupon discount or after coupon discount. So yeah, if you, yeah, you can select whatever you feel, and you can leave it as it is, or you can only just apply for minimum order rule before coupon discount and then save. Again, now for final, okay, go to flat rate and select. Okay, now for go back again to flat rate and then select edit in order to set the price. In this case, because I'm based from UK, so to Europe the price would be totally different. In this case, be okay, copy here. The minimum, the default price for Europe shipping would be, for example, let's say okay, 99, and then you can select whether it's taxable or not. It's totally up to you. And then shipping class cost, which is this is the, like I said, if you have a different size products, is that it doesn't apply the shipping cost. Then what you can do is you can just set the shipping class for heavy parcel, and where you can easily categorize and large parcel and lightweight. So what you have to do is you just copy this the example, and then on for the heavy one, and so make sure you know how much you get the price correctly. And then what I'm going to do is, if it is too heavy, and then I put it, let's say 25, and then on top of that 8.99, when you set up your product and require shipping, so what it does is, on top of the 9.99, and when you select the shipping class cost, and then it will add 25, and this case would be 3.99. So on a checkout page, the customers will see the shipping price rate will be 3.99. Then if you also offer, if you have large parcel, again you can set the price for lightweight and medium and plus small parcel. Then once you've done this and set up accordingly, and then hit save setting. Now it is done. Then you have to do finally save the change. Then if I go back to zone list, under zone name and shipping method, you can see now the shipping that they have already been set up. And so you can see that UK shipping has been set up, and Europe as well has been set up, and the rest is has not been set up yet. But if you do offer, for example, Australia, New Zealand, and South America, Middle East, then yeah, you can set up accordingly, wherever that you feel comfortable to deliver your product. Finally, once you've done setting up zone shipping, so what you have to do is make sure you also set up your shipping policy. To do so, on the top of the shipping setting, click here to add shipping method. Once you get there, so make sure process time, make sure your process time is accurate, so the customer, they will know when they try to order and purchase a product, so they will know how long it takes for the delivery. So I strongly recommend you to be realistic in this case. I'm gonna put between 3 to 5 days. Then we do have our own policy, but if you want to also include your own shipping policy, you can write here. Okay. So, well, yeah, you can buy it here, and or if you already have, and then copy and paste here, and refund policy as well. Yeah. write your refund policy. And then once you've done that, and then select save setting. So it's just that successfully been okay, save. Then the customer, they will be able to see on your product page how long it take to deliver, and also the shipping policy and the refund policy. So it is very important. You have to. It's very important to write refund policy. If you don't refund, you have to state it. If you do refund, and then according to our policy, we do have, especially based on EU, is 14 days is a mandatory for refund policy for returning the item. But we do understand there are a few items that are not refundable, so make sure to highlight that, and then yeah, explain to your customer so that you can avoid yes, confusion. Now go back to zone listing. Yeah, as you can see, for zone shipping setting, pretty much that's it. It's easy and it's self-explanatory. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.